Help me find the fake construction worker.
I've been reading structural plans for over a decade and can tell you that blueprint shows a foundation.
That electrical schematic I'm holding shows a 220 volts circuit layout.
This map shows where we lay important construction materials for safekeeping.
Hurry, drop your answer before time's up. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending puzzles if you love a good challenge. Worker C is clearly the fake. She is holding a treasure map with an X marks the spot.